What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're well. We're going to go over our friend Cardano. ADA currently sitting at 43 cents, down 0.74 on the day. Seeing a market cap of 14.45 billion. 24-hour volume 711 million. Let's hop into the charts. So it looks like we put in the 5 waves as we've been mentioning in the previous video. Now we may be looking for that wave 2 pullback. And for a wave 2 pullback, you can go from the measurement of your wave 1 all the way down to the bottom of your wave 1. And you're going to target in between the 0.5, the 0.618, and sometimes even the 0.786. Now, we definitely could see a retracement up to the 0.786 if the CPI data is positive, as it lines up with the previous level of support now flipped as resistance. So I may look to take a short here on ADA. If I do, I will post it in my Discord. My exact entries, exits, and take profits are coming in at the $10 membership, as that could be a massive short trade if it does play out. Of course, I'll wait for confirmation, but we do have this descending triangle that we've been talking about with a technical target all the way down here at about 35 cents. And you have a left shoulder ahead and a potential right shoulder that could take ADA all the way down here to 30 cents. Come down, break this low, and put in that final 5th wave for our friend Cardano. So if we do see a bounce here, look for it to get rejected in between about 45 cents and 47 cents. If we are putting in that wave 2, as I've been mentioning, I do think we're going through a larger wave 3. I'm actually going to change this to sub-minute. No. Hold up, guys. Let's change it. Okay, perfect. So what we are looking at here is that we broke down from an ABCDE corrective triangle. We put in our wave 1. This was our wave 2 pullback. And right now we're putting in our 3rd wave. And within those waves are 5 subwaves. So you have your wave 1. You've come down. You've made wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 within your wave 1. So if we begin to pull back, if you see us pull back to at least the 0.382, it's more confirmation we're putting in that wave 2 pullback. And typically they pull back to in between the 0.5 and the 0.786, usually the 0.5, the 0.618. But the minimum target is the 0.382, which is coming in at 44 cents. So if we do see that pullback, look for a rejection in that level. Could offer a good short opportunity. If we were to come all the way up and break these highs, then it invalidates that wave structure. And we'd have to be looking at a different structure for ADA. But as of right now, everything's been beautifully playing out according to our Elliott wave theory. And we're looking for that 5th wave down, your final 5th wave that could take you anywhere in between about 30 to 35 cents for ADA. And we also have strong level of support coming in around 23 cents. But we have finally broken down from this strong level of support. So that is a bearish signal. So we could definitely come up and see a retest and then see continuation to the downside. The bullish scenario is we come all the way up, we break these highs, and we start to break out. Personally, I think it's the less likely scenario, but of course anything can happen here in the crypto space. So that's basically it for Cardano. I may look to enter a short. If I do, I will post it in my Discord channel at $10 a month. You can get my exact entries, exits, and take profits. Recently made some juicy profits on our last Matic trade. Somewhere here was a 12% profit right here. Took a little long on Bitcoin and got stopped out for a small loss here, but I may look to re-enter BTC as it's starting to see a little bit of a bounce. Yeah, here it is right here. But we'll see what happens. I also give trade signals for my spot trades. We've been making some juicy profits as it's a very low risk strategy, high win rate strategy. We've been making some juicy profits with our spot trades as well. And 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. You can sign up through the Patreon. If you want to trade with me, sign up to Bybit. And I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.